Hi, Chris from AC Connectors here again, just to kind of go over a couple of the demonstrations I've been doing in the past. So you might have seen me struggling with the adapter and the outlet. That's because the connection is pretty tight, and that's the way it actually should be. And plus I'm holding the outlet, whereas it's usually installed inside of the wall right here. And so it should actually be tight, like I said, just like that. And it's actually good to keep your application plugged in and running, and it's also a good safety feature. And when you want to unplug it, make sure you pull straight back, because some of the things that can happen are that people will wiggle it back and forth inside the outlet to try and remove it or try to plug it in, and that'll actually loosen the connection. And then if the connection gets really loose, this will happen. You'll have the separation between the adapter and the outlet, and the prongs will be exposed. And this is actually pretty dangerous. So if this happens, you can actually have electrical arcing happening between the prongs themselves, and that can cause electrical shock or even a fire. So make sure it's in all the way, and then pull back and straight out. If you have any other questions about any safety features or tight connections, loose connections, be sure to leave us a comment down below. Otherwise, give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.